Hey, what's up, ticklers? Today we are out on the YZ250F at the stunt lot. We got Bo Gnar Garage on his RM125, and we're gonna do some stunt lot killing. Alright guys, now we're gonna figure out what gear will a 2009 YZ250F wheelie in. We got stock sprocket size, I believe it's a 52 tooth. And yeah, we're gonna throw the GoPro on and we're gonna see what gear I can get it up in. I'm gonna do only power, no clutch up too, so that should be interesting. Before I start this off and I start doing it, we already know it'll come up in first, so I'm not gonna do first. I am gonna do second gear though. I already know it'll come up in second, that's what I do wheelies in. It is possible to wheelie in every single gear on this bike with stock gearing. The only thing is, fifth gear is kind of hard. You're gonna have to be going pretty fast, you're gonna have to bounce it pretty hard, but if you're clutch up, I guarantee you can get it. Past Bo Gnar Garage, doing a second gear wheelie, and then we're going to come back the other way doing third, going fourth, and then come back. All right, we're going to... Okay, well, as y'all can see, this bike will rip a wheelie, a power wheelie, in any gear. RM125, DRZ400SM, YZ250F, CRF100F. Easy third gear, just get a little bit of speed and then roll on. It's fine, dude. We'll let the RM Master start this thing for us, and then we'll take the RM for a rip. Alright guys, we're switching bikes. We got an RM 125 right here. This bike right here is a street killer. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap on the video. Shout out to my boy Nathan, one of the supervisors at my work on a different shift. Let me come out today and ripped his 2011 YZ250F. I got a few wheelie clips that I'll throw in the video. But other than that, yeah, it's been fun ripping the RM125. It's definitely a different beast with a different power stroke. I'm all about that 4-stroke life, so that's gonna be it for the video though. So if you like it, please subscribe and like the video. Have a good one.